Hey, everybody. We got a big box to unbox. Let's get to it. Box is bigger than me. It was fun getting in here. Box I've ever unboxed. Before I open it, I will say that this is from my friend July with winstonandwalter.ca. She makes all of my molds, so let's see what she sent us this time.
You need a garbage can.
I'm gonna need something to put all these peanuts in. Stay. Good grief at the peanuts. Caution, keep your face away from the, you gotta wait and see. We have a slab cutter, ladies and gentlemen.
A nice one.
So now I'm gonna go make a batch of soap so that we can test this booger out tomorrow. Y'all know I love y'all. Y'all make sure to wash your stink off every day. And God bless you.